When your Centurion D5 gate remote stops working, start with the simplest solution. Check the batteries. This fixes most remote issues. If new batteries don't solve the problem, you need to reprogram the remote. For D5 Evo models, remove the motor cover and locate the Learn button on the control board. For D5 smart models, the process is different. Use the LCD screen to navigate to remote controls in the settings menu, then select Learn New Remote. If the remote still doesn't work, check the LED indicator on the motor. When you press the remote button, the LED should light up. If it doesn't, the remote may have a transmitter problem. If your remote has a short range, check the antenna inside the motor housing. Make sure it's not blocked or touching other components. Also remember that Centurion D5 models can store up to 500 remote control buttons. These steps solve most Centurion D5 remote issues. If your remote still doesn't work after trying these solutions, you may need professional assistance. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your Centurion D5 gate remote issues, it's time to investigate deeper hardware problems that may require more advanced diagnostic techniques. First, thoroughly check the gate motor's power supply system. Power issues are among the most common causes of gate motor failures and can manifest in several ways. Next, perform a comprehensive physical inspection of the gate system. Ensure the gate's path is completely clear of obstructions like debris, stones, or accumulated dirt that could prevent smooth operation. Battery voltage testing is critical for D5 Evo models. The battery voltage should never drop below 11 volts DC under load. Check the battery terminals for corrosion and inspect the date stamp to determine battery age. Gearbox problems often manifest as jerky gate movement. A leaking gearbox is a serious issue that requires immediate attention. Look for oil leaks around the gearbox housing and listen for unusual grinding or clicking sounds during operation. The DOS system and its connections require careful inspection. Check all sensor connections and clean the DOS disk if oil contamination is present. Proper DOS function is essential for accurate gate positioning. If you're uncomfortable performing these diagnostic steps, or if problems persist after checking these systems, it's time to contact a professional. Experienced technicians can quickly diagnose complex issues and prevent costly damage from improper repairs. Professional technicians have specialized tools and extensive experience with Centurion systems. They can safely diagnose complex electrical issues and perform repairs that ensure your gate system operates reliably for years to come.